your personal LinkedIn URL, how people find you easily, how you can promote your profile here on LinkedIn. Basically, you have a LinkedIn URL, and I'll show you how to change the one that you have if you are not happy, or how to choose a new one in case you don't have it yet. You see at the top here, my username is linkedin.com/Real Diego Davila. And why Real Diego Davila? Basically, because I use the same username in all my social media platforms. So that's a good way for your customers to remember you and to find you all over the internet. Because if you have one use with different usernames for each social media platform, it's almost impossible for your customers to remember what's your username and how to find you. Of course, they can still find you on the search box. They can search for you, for your name and all that, but it's easier, and you are making your customers' life easier if you actually have the same username in all your specific social media platforms. So of course it's not always possible, because sometimes the username is already taken. What do you do in that case? You of course you need to create a new username that is not the one that you are using on all your social medias, but that's also fine. The good thing is to keep in mind is that you need to have a username that is related with your business, with your company, and with the service that you are providing. That's super important. So how do you choose your username? We are here on your profile. If you are not here, you can come to the top here on the top right hand side, click on your picture and click on view profile. You will see this image here, and in the right column here we have the third option right now, is edit your public profile. If you are not seeing edit your public profile right now on this place, that's normal too. LinkedIn changes and updates the interface very frequently, so you can find these options probably on this right side below in the page. But let's click for now and edit your public profile here. And now we have all the options that people are seeing, and we can customize that if as you want. And here on the right side column, we have edit public profile URL, and this is the one that we are editing right now. You see here, we have the pencil option, and when you click on the pencil, we have the option to delete this and enter a new username. So you can basically come here and enter any username that you want. Try to save. If the username is already taken, you will see an error message saying that is already taken. So that's how you choose your username here on LinkedIn. Also here on this page, we have information about you, your picture, how many connections you have, the summary, experience, all the information, skills, everything is here. And in the right side, customize your public profile. Here you can also choose what do you want to allow people to see and what you want to hide from people. So you have all these options here. You can check and uncheck boxes, and when you are happy with the settings, all you need to do is click save. The main thing here, guys, is to make sure we have the most optimized username, the direct URL for your customer. So let's make that happen before we jump to the next video, okay? See you there. The next step is to add